guys, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my makeup, because I know everyone has a different routine or different methods that they use to get their makeup removed. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use and all the methods that I use to get my face feeling nice and breathable and fresh and, you know, all over again. Alright, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I remove are my lashes. Now if my lashes are not securely glued on, if they're not glued onto my eye, all I do, I just hold the end of the strip and I just pull it off. However, if they are securely glued to my eyes, you know, you don't want to tear out your eyelash and so on, so I use the Ardell Lash Free Lash Remover. Yes, so I just get this and I just take a Q-tip and I dip it in, then I take my mirror and I hold the lash and I apply it to the base of the lash so it does not get into my eyes. So I hold the base and I just apply it right here. So I hold it and I just apply it, and as you can see, it came right off. I do the same thing for the next lash. I hold it the end of the lash or the tip of the lash and I apply it at the base, right at the base, and it immediately slides right off. Okay, so after getting my lashes off, then I use my makeup removal wipes. Now I use the Kala brand and I normally use the aloe vera type. However, they didn't have any, so I got the vitamin C makeup remover. Alright, it works equally as good. It gives a little tingle sometimes, I guess because of the citrus flavors and so on, but it's nothing serious to like harm you. Alright, so I just get my wipes and I just wipe my face. So I normally start with my lips and then I work my way around. By the way, even when I'm removing my makeup, I try to wipe my skin upwards instead of down, because you know when you wipe it up, you maintain a very youthful look. So I try my best to just wipe my skin upwards instead of down. So normally the eyeshadow is the most difficult part to wipe off. So I just take my wipes, wrap it around my finger, and I just gently, because I don't say I don't want to push down my eye, I just gently wipe my eyes and get off as much as possible until I wash my face. Okay, so you want to make sure you get off as much as possible, because you know the eyeliner is there, the glue is there from the eyelash, so you want to get off as much as possible before you actually wash your face. So after removing all my eyeshadow or most of my eyeshadow, then I go on to washing my face, and I first exfoliate my face. So to exfoliate, I use the Ivory Rock, Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Rejuvenating Facial Scrub. Now one thing I love about this scrub is that it is extremely smooth. Many of the scrubs that I used to use, they have some very rough particles, and when I use them on my face, I end up having a lot of discoloration because it's actually damaging my face. So seeing that my face is sensitive, I get the Ivory Rock Rejuvenating Facial Scrub, and I'm going to try and show you the texture. As you can see, very smooth. So I exfoliate my face to try and get as much of the makeup out of my pores as possible. Okay, so I don't just exfoliate with my hands, that makes no sense. So I use my cleansing brush, and I use a brush that is not too hard yet not too soft, just enough to get inside of my pores and to remove all this makeup that I'm sure you can see here on my face. I then use the eye sponge on my brush to just try and get the remaining eyeshadow off my eyes. It's this color, guys, because it's a sponge and I use it a lot, so don't mind that, please. Alright, so after exfoliating my face, I'm going to now use my turmeric soap to give my face the final wash that it needs. Alright, now when I'm using the turmeric soap, I don't go back with the brush because I really don't need to use the brush again. That would be, you know, overworking the skin. So I just use my hands and I just give my face the final wash and massage the soap into my skin. Okay, so after completing the second washing of my face, I'm going to move on to using my toner. So the toner that I use is from the same Rock line, and it's the Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Refreshing Facial Toner and Treatment. So sometimes after washing my face from all the makeup, my skin tends to have discoloration after a few days. So I just use a toner to balance my skin and get all of it to have an even color, an even texture, even look. So normally I would pour some of the toner, a small amount of the toner, on a cotton ball. However, I'm not on a cotton, so I have to just improvise and use tissue. So I'm just gonna put the tissue round up like this and just pour out, and I'm gonna dab it on my face and I'll wipe it. Then I move on to using my facial moisturizer. So after all that washing and so on, your skin is going to be extremely dry. So you have to try and balance out your skin, put some moisture in your skin and so on with a facial moisturizer. So again, from the Rock line, I use the Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Replenishing Facial Moisturizer. I shake it up and I put a small amount in my hands. Just a small amount goes a long way. Rub it up in my palms and apply it all over my face. Then to finish it off, I use my lip balm, which is in the flavor Strawberry Banana. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found these techniques and the products that I showed you very helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.